At Component One, we're always monitoring development trends and emerging technologies. As a software company in the business of providing tools to other software companies, it's important for us to support the latest technologies our customers need. If you're a .NET developer, chances are you or someone within your organization has used Component One controls in your line of business apps. For decades, we've been improving .NET development with our award-winning Control Studios and Enterprise suites. Historically, the majority of controls we provided have been focused on Microsoft platforms such as .NET Windows Forms, ASP.NET, MVC, WPF, and WinRT.
As a Microsoft shop, one of the biggest challenges we faced was servicing a market where more and more developers require tools for mobile platforms outside of the Windows ecosystem. With the rise of enterprise mobility and bring your own device, we understood we needed to provide a full-scale development solution that addressed today's mobile requirements.
With Xuni, our native cross-platform mobile control suite, we can now provide UI controls for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. This gives customers the ability to leverage existing skill sets and maximize code share with Xamarin. Xuni defines a new era at Component One, and we're all very excited.
We started developing native iOS and Android controls about a year ago. Then, Xamarin released Xamarin.Forms. Didn't change our plans completely, but it definitely provided a clear path for us.
Xamarin.Forms is a new platform which we're really excited about because it allows developers to write in C#, which is something we're all familiar with, and then deploy applications for Android, iOS, and Windows Phone.
We saw an opportunity to extend Xamarin's platform by writing more advanced UI controls that would work cross-platform.
The team at Xamarin was impressed with our offering and welcomed us on board as a Xamarin.Forms ecosystem partner.
As a Visual Studio industry partner, we love C#. Not only does Xamarin give first-class support to C#, they've also integrated their platform into Visual Studio itself. So this is huge for us and our customers because we're all Visual Studio users. Xamarin's really important to us because it enables both us and our customers to build iOS and Android apps without having to learn new skills.
After deciding to build Xuni for the Xamarin.Forms platform, we then had to choose to either develop the native controls first or write the controls purely in Xamarin.Forms. Basically, we had to decide if we wanted to write once or 3 times. After much consideration, we actually decided to write 3 times. We trained some existing developers and hired new talent to form Team Xuni. We redefined our focus centering on native development environments such as Java and Eclipse for Android and Objective-C and Xcode for iOS.
By developing native controls first, we are now in a position to not only support the Xamarin.Forms platform, but also expand the reach by providing controls for all native developers as well.
Xuni is a set of controls that offers multiple solutions for native mobile developers. Developers can utilize Xuni to write once in C# using Xamarin.Forms, or work specifically with the IDE and native language of their choice.
On top of each native control, we provide a layer that allows developers to use the control within Xamarin.Forms in Visual Studio. Since the controls are identical on the native level with the same exact APIs, we can fully support every aspect of them in the shared common application code.
We believe unifying the API at the native level provides our customers with the most value by allowing them to optimize code sharing within Xamarin.Forms. So with Xamarin.Forms, you don't have to sacrifice any native functionality while writing entirely in C#. Initially, Xuni will include data visualization controls such as charts and gauges. These controls are based off our popular Wijmo controls for responsive web development. Xuni fits in perfectly with our current product line, Studio Enterprise for .NET, Wijmo for web, and Xuni for native mobile development. As with all of our products, Xuni's control collection will continue to grow based upon industry trends and developer requirements.
We have an aggressive release schedule for Xuni in 2015 with the open beta set for January, official release in February, and 2 major updates scheduled for July and November. Visit GoXuni.com and download it today so you can be part of the Xuni team right from the start. Go native, go Xuni.